Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 4-cylinder 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. You can save a lot of money by doing this yourself. You don't need any tools, all you need is a new filter. First, open the hood. The hood release is down by the driver's footwell. Then the safety latch is located right here. Stick your fingers under there, pull it up, and open the hood. The engine air filter is located right here under this cover behind the battery. There are just 3 clips, 2 on the front and 1 on the back. Then pull up and release it from the tabs over here, and then pull the air filter out. Then take your new filter and put it in. Slide the 2 tabs in this side, and then fasten the clips. It's that easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.